Hi everyone. Hello. Hope all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to understand the difference between this two, and this two. These three twos are sounding in the same sound like two, and two. So as you can listen, this two, and this two have a similar sound, but of course, there are some differences to differentiate them. Now, let's understand what these three two are used for. Now, this two with the spelling of TOO is an adverb. It can be used to replace words such as additionally, as well, excessively. Also, whenever you are using those words, you can use to. This one. Let's take a look at this two. Okay, spelling is TO2. This two is a versatile preposition. If this is an adverb, this is a preposition that can be used in various situations, or in context, it's used to indicate a direction like towards and until. Now, just to be clear, this two is also pronounced as to and to, but it can be used instead of either of them. It has a different use because it's a number. This number 2 can be used as a noun or an adjective. A good a good way to remember the difference between 2 and 2 is that this 2 has many O's. Like this 2 has 2 O's and this 2 has 1 O. Now let's see what it has to say and what it has to elaborate in the example. Now, for example, first we are going to see the use of this two. This two is like, I am going to sleep. Now you can see that we are using this two. And the second example is, I am going to school. Now you can see this two and this two. Now let's have some other examples of other sounds. There are two cats. Each cat has two eyes. Now let's see the different use of this two, TOO2. This woman is too old to work. Now here this two is used as enough, like more than enough. Here we have another example. This person is too fat to fit in dress. Now here this two is also enough, used as enough. Now, as we have learned the difference between two, and now you know as well that these three twos have different meanings. Now fill in the blanks with correct one. Let's see. Elsa went dash bed early. Now you can see that it is pointing towards a direction, like to bed. So we are going to use this two. Elsa went to bed early. Now dash and dash makes 4. Now here is the number, and as you remember that TWO2 is a number, so 2 and 2 make 4. E is dash ill dash go dash scurvy. E is too ill, that means excessively ill, to go to school. Now it is nearly dash o'clock. 2 o'clock. Are you going dash hell? Are you going to hell? I am going dash sit down in car. That is a direction. So I am going to sit down in car. It is dash hot dash play games. It is too hot, that means excessively hot, to play games. The dash girls were great friends. Now, as you can see, there are girls, that means it is a plural number. So, we are going to use TWO2. Girls were great friends. Are you coming dash London? Are you coming to London? Jason is dash young dash drive. Jason is too young to drive. So, I hope this is a great lesson for you all, and you have learned the difference between 2 and 2. So, take care, friends, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Bye bye. Take care. Now,